In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted history in Google Chrome. We all know how frustrating it can be to accidentally delete your browsing history when you need to revisit an important site or recall a crucial piece of information. Fortunately, there's a way to recover that deleted history using the tools provided by Google itself. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps you need to take. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to myactivity.google.com. This is Google's comprehensive record of everything linked to your account, and it's a handy tool when you want to review your search and browsing activity in detail. Once you've reached this page, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Make sure to use the account associated with your Chrome browsing activity to ensure you see the correct information. Signing in will give you access to all the activity that Google stores on your behalf, which can be quite a detailed list. Once you've signed in, look for the Web and App Activity section. This is a key area where Google logs various activities related to your web usage. Click View All, or alternatively, scroll down the page. Both options will present you with a detailed and chronological list of your online activities. This includes things like the websites you've visited, searches you've made, and apps you've used. Take your time to navigate through this list. It's designed to help you find the history you might have accidentally deleted from your browser. Now, as you scroll or navigate through these activities, you'll notice that you can click on an entry to revisit a particular website. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to jump back into your browsing history. Moreover, if you'd like to have a more enduring record of this information, Google gives you the option to download your activity data too. This can be particularly useful if you want a backup of your browsing data stored locally on your computer. By following these steps, you can effectively retrieve websites you need to revisit while also securing a backup of your browsing history. Armed with this information, you'll no longer have to worry about losing track of important sites you visited in the past. I hope this guide helps you feel more in control of your browser history management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.